tractor forces reappear on the battlefield. I thought that Ka-52 destroyed all Ukrainian tractors. My minesweeper. War crime. They are the tractor elite, born to reap wheat. How long before we see fucking battle bots on the field? What the fuck is this war? I just know I'm going to get my Mobix on Mule's cavalry charge. So is this a vid of some Russian thieves or some pissed off farmer chasing those faggot invaders? It looks like a Ukrainian farmer bum rushing some Russians on his farm. Drive me closer. I want to hit them with my sword. The Pushian tank commander, driving around in T-62 Obrezk 2022. Park tank in Kursk Oblast, so you and the driver can run on a train on the gunner. He's the platoon rooster. Return to tank 20 minutes later. Treads and road wheels gone. Tank is on cinder blocks. Entire fuel tank siphoned. All ERA stripped off. Ammunition missing. Coax removed. Dicks spray painted all over armor. Fuck, they even took the 8-track and the Kino tapes. Bliad, can't have shit in Kursk.